All right, outside at the quarry tonight, we've got our stacks red, white, and blue. We are proud to be an American tonight. So good. Well, we should be proud every day. Cloudy and 80. No rain falling in the city right now. Southeast at 15 on the winds. Dew point at 72. Here's the 4th of July forecast on the eve of this holiday weekend. We're looking at isolated action up until about noon, early afternoon at the latest tomorrow. That's the good news. We're going to get all of this out before any firework fuse is lit. Partly to mostly sunny. At times, I think we could get some sun, but not a whole lot. 92 is going to be the high on a humid and breezy afternoon, looking clear for fireworks in the city tomorrow night at 9 p.m. All right, rainfall. You know, one of the indications that came out, the Severe Prediction Center doesn't just issue the outlook of severe weather to include hail. That was for an excessive rain amount, and it include Bexar County. And that's exactly what unfolded. We got a good wave of very heavy rain that has now drifted to the north and is now just reserved for extreme northern Kendall County, up near Fredericksburg, Johnson City getting some light action, but these are all brand new downpours between Kerrville and Hondo. Again, nothing severe, just heavy tropical rains that can put down 3 to 3.5 inches per hour. But we have to watch for this area because this is where we could see a lot of these showers and thunderstorms just kind of sit still and generate a ton of rain, and we get into a real flooding situation. That's why the flash flood watch doesn't come much farther east than San Antonio and Kendall County for Bernie. It's really going to be this focal point on getting some of this flooding. Now notice the rainfall that's already occurred, especially Kendall County. Look at this, over 4 inches north of Bernie just tonight. And then 2.5, a little closer to Comfort. 2.5 between I-10 and 281, nearly 2 inches up near Canyon Lake. There's so much precipitable water in this atmosphere. You saw the cloud cover today. You feel the humidity, all that water ready to come down. And see, this is what we're expecting at midnight tonight into the 1 a.m. hour. We can see more rain developing out to the west and really focusing out to the west through the 6 a.m. hour tomorrow morning, and then beginning to thin out by mid-morning, early afternoon, we start to see this rain end. But more in the forecast. Look what the models are predicting for Saturday, 11 a.m., and we've got a very heavy line from northern Bexar County up to Canyon Lake and right up to I-35 and really 281 corridor as well. Pretty thick line of very heavy rain on Saturday. So we're not done even into the first half of the weekend. All right, let's take a look at the 14-day forecast. Weather impact alert for just tomorrow morning. I mean, by tomorrow afternoon, 92, a little bit of sunshine. Same high on Saturday with decent coverage on that rain. Just showed you about 20 to 30%. Dropping the rain chance for Sunday as we begin next week. Look at the mid-90s. A new weather impact alert Thursday the 10th, Friday the 11th. That's going to be for Saharan dust, and then highs are getting closer to 100 for mid-July. My man Nate Ryan.